Kindly subscribe.
Good morning, viewers.
Like.
This is my YouTube channel. As you know, I'm a technician with the name Sheldon Paul Siambe. Today, I'm going to take you through soldering rework station, and this is a solder rework station that is solder gun holder. This one is a power cable. These ones are nozzles. That is a hot air holder. That is a tweezers. That is adhesive glue. It's used to replace or put a phone screen. This one is tweezer. Oh, it's nice. It's nice for picking components while soldering or desolder. Okay, this one is a solder iron. This one is screwdriver, both side star and flat. First of all, we are going to unscrew the 3 screws. That place is where the machine used to get air from the outside. For it to fill the nozzle, so let us remove the screws first. Okay, now the machine can get air from the outside. This one is a power cable. First of all, let us look at the solder iron. Oh, it's new one. When you want to change the bit, you remove the casings, then you change your bit. That's how we change the bit. So let us connect it first. Yes, there's a pin. For you to connect it, there is a slot. This one. You match it with another slot. There's a slot inside. You match it with another slot. Then it gets in easily. Okay, that is right. Another thing, we have hot air handle. So this is the one that holds hot air. It has some screws to assemble it. Let us assemble it. You can put in other way. When you can put it there this way. or you can turn it, put it the way you see it easy, but this is the recommended side to put it. Oh, it's difficult to put, but still, let's put it, because we have to do it. Okay, now it's get in, screwed. That, let me get another screwdriver for my toolkit. Here's the screwdriver. Now, you want to screw another one that there are two. There's one left. Let me put this one aside and use the better tool. You have to use the right tool at the right time to make work easier. See, this one holds even a screw. It has some magnet, and you be careful not to scratch machine everywhere. So you be careful. Wow. Now it is tight. Let us exert some pressure for it to be tight. Oh, still, there's a hole, but it's small inside. That's why it becomes difficult to screw it. But so far so good. Okay. Now you can put your hot air. That is now its solder. Those are not nozzles. For you to unsolder, you have to use the right nozzle so that it can give you enough air. See, you put the screw for it to hold the hot air tightly. You have to put a screw. Let us see this one. See this one. Yes. You just use hand to tighten them, because if you use a spanner or a pliers, it will be very difficult to remove and replace another one. So you just use your hand to tighten it. And remember, it is hot. There is a caution. That is hot. Okay, the remaining one, let us put them aside. Let us put everything aside. Okay, we are almost finishing to assemble it. We are almost finishing to assemble it. There is a power cable. Now we want to plug in. In our workshop we have a portable extension outlet. Yes, that is an extension. Portable. There is a power. There is a power using. It blinks red when we switch it on. Okay, let us plug. You first plug for the machine. Make sure it is tight. Oh, our workplace is very small. We will improve for that. Yes. Now, we need a workspace. So let us remove those and put them somewhere. Exactly. Let us put them there. Everything. Make sure when you want to solder or unsolder, make sure that objects, metallic ones, you remove, because when you are doing your soldering, it may short. Okay, let us put it. Let us turn our machine on. We switch on the extension. Yes, are you seeing that light? There is a light there. That now that outlet is on. Then give it some time. Give it time. Give it time. Everything are in place. Remember, we have plugged in our power. Now we switch on our solder iron. Switch on solder iron. Now the solder iron is on. Are you seeing the light? There's a LED there indicating that the solder iron is on. Fine. Before we set, we have not set any temperature. Let me find the solder wire. Okay. Now I have my solder wire. Oh, my camera is far, but let me get it that you can see it. Fine. Now we have our solder wire with us, and we want to set a temperature now for soldering. We will use the temperature. We will use the temperature that is heat, 350 degrees Celsius. And we want to solder this phone. It is an ITEL. It's an ITEL. Let us increase the temperature. Let's increase the temperature. You see now? When you increase the temperature, it continues to get hot and hot. Let us test the solder wire. That is prescribed screwdrivers for repairing and assembling one. So let us get a solder wire, another solder wire inside it. Oh, those solder wires are the one that I've used. The remaining small ones, I always put there so that I cannot misplace them. Alright, now this is a solder wire, and I just want to confirm to you that the solder iron now, it's hot. Wow, are you seeing? Are you seeing? It melts immediately. Oh, you can use your sponge to clean the solder tip. Again, let us see. Oh, it's good. Well, it's good. It's good. That one. Let us test for reworks. Hot air. Let us test for hot air. Let me put this solder aside. Let me switch off the solder and reduce that heat. Okay, when we are using the solder hot air gun, you turn on the heat, that is temperature. Let us test the temperature first. The upper knob is for temperature. The one you're seeing is just red, not blinking. The one which is blinking bottom, it is for temperature. The upper one is for air. If this one is for air, just reduce the air pressure. Now I'm increasing the heat so that it can get hot. I'm increasing the heat. I've reduced the pressure totally. No air pressure. So let me give it some minutes. I open the phone. Oh, already I've removed the screws, but it's still difficult. Now we want to use the correct tool. Section card to remove it. Oh, I'm seeing our machine blinking very fast. Mean it's ready. Now I just want to increase the air pressure. Then we start our work. First of all, before we start our work, make sure you have right tools in your hand. Make sure you have the right tool in your hand. That is tweezers. Let us test for the air first. It's hot. Are you seeing it? It's shrinking. The polythene bag. Indeed, it's hot. Are you seeing? The polythene bag shrinks. That tell you that it is hot. You see how it look like? Oh, let us throw it away. Throw it away. Now, let us unsolder the seam slot. The seam slot, let us unsolder seam 1 slot first. Fine. bring it, we hold it the right hand. When you hold it with your right hand, not right hand really, but the correct hand, that is left hand, then you hold the tweezer. The hand that you can operate with it, good. So it depends with whether you are right-handed or left-handed. So you have to hold it carefully. It's hot. Indeed, it's hot. So let me apply my solder paste. Let me apply my solder paste. Okay, let me find my solder paste. Fine. Here's my solder paste. Oh, I've applied more. That will cause a lot of smoke and interference. The suit will be a lot of suit because I've applied so much. But let us unsolder the seam slot. You see the suit have become more because I've placed, and it's hot. It's hot. It's hot. So you need to be careful. It's hot. It's hot. Reason why you are seeing a lot of soot is because I've applied more solder paste, which is not right, but you'll just excuse me. You see already it's out. Oh, very good job. Very good job. You think that is a seam slot? It is damaged. Now I'll replace another one. Good one. That is damaged. Let us unsolder memory slot. Okay, you see? Oh, less than a minute, some seconds, and it's out. So viewers, that is how this solder station works. You can use to solder it. You can use to unsolder. See, the temperature is too hot. I'm using 350 degrees Celsius. I'm using 360, and you be careful. The nozzle is very, very hot. Let me reduce the temperature because I've now unsoldered the SIM slot and memory slot. I want it to cool fast, and how I want it to cool, I just reduce the heat nozzle. I'm trying to reduce heat knob. You see now it is off. I've reduced it to 0. Now I've just leave the air pressure so that the air can pass through the nozzle very fast and get cold, because now we are done. And make sure that wherever you are using the solder station, when it's not in the work, kindly switch it off. Kindly subscribe the video, like, share,
I'll put the
When you're not
soldering
using
now. We solder, then we test
Okay,
the
viewers.
device. Thank you.